In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the menus feature in the websites so that we can create menus for your website. Simple as that. On the left-hand side, I'm going to click the menus button over here, and we're going to create a new menu. I'm just going to call it the main menu, and we'll click continue. And here we can now add items to our menu. The fastest way, if you're adding a menu after you've created some pages, is just click add all pages, and then you'll get your home and about page. Or you can click add item, and here you can say something like contact us, and that can either link to a page or we can link to an external URL. So we could do something like mail to me at something.com, and we can choose, does it open in the new window or the same window? And what icon. We can just put envelope, and we could use the regular icon library. And now we have a menu with home, about, and contact us. Now what we want to do is use a block that can render that menu out on the screen. So this fixed hamburger menu component up the top allows us to do that. So I'm going to click that, and just under the menu option, I'm going to select the main menu, and now you'll see we get a menu which has the home, about, and contact us. And if I click about, that will take us to the about page, which we're already on. If I click home, that will take us to the home page, which we created in an earlier tutorial. And that's how we can create menus. Now, a typical design pattern would be to have a footer menu as well. So let's search for the basic footer, and we'll drag that onto the screen. So got that there. I'm just going to click the sections panel on the left hand side, and we'll drag the basic footer down into the footer of the page, which means it's going to be on every single page. So if we're on the home page or if we're on the about page, the footer should still be there, just down there where it says quick links. And now under here, we can now choose our menus. So I can either click the main menu, and you'll notice that now we've got home, about, and contact us, just in the same way that we have the menu up here. And what we might do is create another menu. So on the left hand side, I'm going to click here and we'll create another menu, and we'll call it maybe partners, something like that. Click continue. And on the partners, we can add an item, and we can say Google. We can link to an external URL. That can be google.com. Open in a new window, and we'll click OK. And now we've got another menu called partners that we can add our own menu items to. Now if I click the sections, we'll click this footer section down here, and we'll just change the second block to have the partners, and you'll see now it's got that menu there. One other thing you can do with menus is you can nest menu items underneath each other. So if we go back to our menu block on the left hand side and we go to menus, we can also click and drag the contact us underneath another menu item. So just need to drag it slightly to the right and underneath like that, and we can put the home and about about and contact us items underneath the home there. And so you can see you can create nested tree menus just like that. Or we could move this up and reorder and drag just like that as well. And that's how you add menus to your website.